Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're a Microsoft Edge user, apparently Microsoft is preparing a big change. So, of course, when you use the Edge browser, even if your main page is not that, when you open a new tab, you will often get the famous MSN news page, which is of varying degrees of interest. Actually, I find that most of what's on it is trash. That might be going away, actually. What's going to happen? Well, I don't know if it's better, but what they want to do is that when you open up a new tab page, what you'll get instead is a Copilot page. So where you're going to be able to interact, ask what you want, or whatever. So it's not necessarily a better change for some. It could be for others. It depends what you do. But as things change within Edge, this will happen. Actually, what's going to be interesting also is that it's rolling out already for some in the US, and it will eventually roll out to everybody, apparently. So this is kind of interesting to see that they want to ditch the MSN page for something that will bring a full browser Copilot. It will really be a Copilot page that will take the whole screen. So this is definitely interesting, and it will be something to see when it happens. Like I said, for some it might be okay, but depends what you do. And it is, once again, much more of an integration to everything Microsoft. Once again, MSN is an integration of everything Microsoft. Copilot will be the same. So what do you think of this change? Good? Bad? And, of course, a lot of you don't use Edge. But if you do use Edge, do you think it's a good change? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.